What's good, everyone? And I hope everyone's having a fantastic time in the stock market right now. So if you're someone who's interested in the idea of Web3 or the Metaverse and want to own a piece of this emerging industry that's going to continue to grow over the next decade and beyond, look no further than the publicly traded company NexTech. And as the $5.5 trillion global e-commerce market is transitioning into Web 3.0 technologies like 3D models and augmented reality, bridging the gap between the physical world and what was once a flat 2D online e-commerce market experience, NexTech's Web3 solutions help increase sales, decrease product returns, and improve advertising results, leading to potentially billions of dollars in value. And in this recent article, I'm going to be going over exactly why NexTech is positioned extremely well in this industry, and I'll also be going over NexTech's current line of products. So if you're interested in Web3, augmented reality, and NexTech, this will be an important video for you to look back on so you can really understand what NexTech currently has to offer in great detail. So first and foremost, when I say Web3, what I'm talking about is the third generation of the evolution of web technologies. And the current web is basically the foundational layer for how we use the internet today, providing websites and application services. So basically, just think of Web3 as a more intelligent version of the current internet as we know it today. So when discussing Web3, there are four main things that make up this idea. Web3 is first decentralized, as opposed to the first two generations of the internet, where governance and applications were largely centralized. Web3 will be decentralized, meaning applications and services will be enabled in a distributed approach where there isn't a central authority. Next, it is blockchain-based. With blockchain, the data and connections across services are distributed in an approach that is different than a centralized database infrastructure. Blockchain can also enable an immutable ledger of transactions and activity, helping to provide verifiable authenticity in a decentralized world. Next, it is cryptocurrency enabled, and cryptocurrency usage will be a key feature in Web3 services and will largely replace the use of fiat currency. And lastly, Web3 is autonomous and artificially intelligent, and more automation overall is actually a critical feature of Web 3.0, and that this automation will largely be powered by AI. So now that you guys know that, let me break down exactly what this transformation will result for NexTech's business. With the transition to a pure-play Web 3.0 services business and the winding down of the legacy e-commerce business, more and more websites are going to be picking up 3D and AR technologies, which NexTech is currently providing. And this winding down of legacy e-commerce assets, like 2D images to display products, is anticipated to save the company $8 to $10 million in annual expenses based on 2021 annual figures. And NexTech also expects that this will generate an additional $1 to $2 million in cash for the sale of the inventory in the e-commerce business, which of course will help to bolster NexTech's cash position. And if we look at 2019 to 2022, NexTech was actually able to use its e-commerce business as a sandbox for learning about the 3D modeling and augmented reality business. Today, however, its 3D modeling and AR business has matured so that it is no longer needed for this. And in addition, all these severe supply chain issues are preventing businesses from restocking its top-selling products, which is hindering the e-commerce business growth, as seen in the huge reduction in sales these last few quarters. And in light of the growing 3D modeling business and the difficult climate for gaining inventory due to these supply chain issues, NexTech is reorganizing and becoming a pure-play technology company. So now, here's the important part. I'd like to get into NexTech's current technology services. They comprise of these following products. ARitize Maps. So ARitize Maps, which was previously known as ARway, is a creator portal, SDK and mobile app, and brings to market an all-in-one, no-code, real-world metaverse creation tool with self-generating augmented reality mapping solutions for businesses. The ARitize Maps offering is paired with a no-code, web-based creator portal and software development kit to form essentially a metaverse experience builder platform, launching to early adopters in July 2022. And with the ARitize Maps mobile app, anyone can spatially map their location within minutes and populate it with interactive 3D content, augmented reality navigation, audio, text, images, and more. And NexTech provides a number of preloaded 3D objects, and creators can also upload their own object or JLB files and create their own 3D objects to populate their metaverse. And another cool feature is that users can share their own metaverse with others, creating a new level of immersion interactivity with social, branding, advertising, gaming, and more metaverse experiences. Okay, next up we have ARitize 3D. ARitize 3D is what they're calling a one-stop shop for AR solutions with automated 3D model creation at an unbeatable price. Their artificial intelligence will basically turn existing 2D product images into high-quality 3D and augmented reality experiences. They're calling it fast, easy, and will transform any business's e-commerce website. With a 3D model, clients can interact with their product and see every detail of the 3D model. So you can turn it, spin it, and zoom in and out, which will lead to 40% lower product returns and a 93% higher click-through rate and a 90% reduction in product photography costs. And NexTech believes that this value creation and the ROI is leading to the rapidly growing demand for the company's 3D technology. So essentially, you can just kind of think of this software as transforming any online store into a dynamic virtual showroom where customers will be able to view models of products from every possible angle. And the reason that ARitize 3D is such a great solution for e-commerce is that it is affordable, scalable, frictionless, meaning it requires low implementation effort, it's artificially intelligent and machine learning powered, and it's end-to-end, meaning all the way from model creation to AR visualization is covered. And next up, we have ARitize CAD. ARitize CAD enables a conversion of CAD files into 3D and AR models at scale, and CAD is actually a function of product engineering. So industrial designers working for product manufacturers use CAD software to design many of the products in the modern world. So by using ARitize CAD, those files can be converted into 3D and AR models with the creation of photorealistic, fully textured 3D models from raw CAD models and reference images. And this technology creates optimized 3D meshes that are suitable for 3D and AR applications. And next we have ARitize Swirl. And ARitize Swirl is basically a swirling or rotating 3D asset on the header or page of an e-commerce website. So in a few simple steps, any customer can create a fully interactive ARitize Swirl 3D or AR banner using their existing 3D models and embed them into their e-commerce website to create a 6 times higher purchase intent, which of course increases conversions and click-through rates. The ARitize Swirl self-serve creator tool is basically an upsell opportunity for existing ARitize 3D clients and allows for the creation and management of 3D and AR banners for their e-commerce websites. Up next, we have ARitize Social Swirl. And Social Swirl is a social media AR filter designed to promote and visualize e-commerce products in an interactive and shareable way. Available for Instagram, Meta, and Snapchat, ARitize Swirls are designed to create new engagement opportunities for customers. ARitize Social Swirl is a management service where NexTech creates ads for clients with their existing 3D models or from NexTech's existing list of AR templates to be advertised on the client's Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. NexTech also creates custom filters to match clients' branding, so when users click on the ad, they can see the product in 3D in their space, giving the user the ability to experience and interact with the product before actually clicking through to the client's website to purchase it. And up next, we have ARitize Decorator. ARitize Decorator enables customers to virtually preview home furnishings and decor in a desired location using just a simple 2D photo of a room. The solution uses NexTech's AI to analyze a room layout automatically and then parses out room surfaces, reconstructs the scene, and allows 3D objects to be seamlessly placed inside a 2D photo as if it were actually part of the room. Next, we have ARitize Holograms, and ARitize Holograms is NexTech's human hologram creator mobile app, which is currently available in the Apple iOS store. And ARitize Holograms lets you create, share, and view holograms on your smartphone device. Basically, it is as easy as creating a video. No green screen or technical equipment required. Anyone can create themselves as a human hologram in minutes. And CPG, which is consumer packaged goods, is an augmented reality hologram experience triggered by a visual anchor such as a VR code placed on product packaging, in-store aisles, or end cap displays. And this interactive AR hologram takes smart packaging to a new level with existing 3D objects, creating innovative visual effects and engaging content. Next, we have MapD, which is a self-serving virtual event platform that allows organizers to create, host, and manage live events for over 100,000 attendees, both online and in their branded native event application. The platform supports live video, chat, networking, and analytics, reporting for associations, conferences, trade shows, basically that kind of stuff. So next, we have ARitize Labs. With ARitize Labs, higher education institutions can bring classrooms to life with immersive and engaging augmented learning labs. Using NexTech's ARitize Play app, students are welcomed into a virtual learning lab where they can interact and learn in 3D, mimicking a traditional lab environment. The NexTech AR platform allows users to design, build, and publish native AR experiences for delivery through a learning platform. And it's these learning experiences that are going to provide students the opportunity to learn through pre-recorded AR learning objects on their smartphones, tablets, or AR headsets. Up next, we have ARitize Portals. And with ARitize Portals, users can transport themselves into new environments using augmented reality. Users can place the portal in their space using a smartphone, then walk around through the portal to enter a new world, so to speak. Users can look up, down, and around in 360 degrees to view completely new surroundings through augmented reality. Next, we've got ARitize Capture. Formerly known as ARitize 360, ARitize Capture allows the user to create 3D augmented reality photorealistic models right from their smartphone. The main purpose is to turn products into 3D models to enhance the user experience and create engagement with these products. And last, but certainly not least, we have ARitize Play. Formerly known as a standalone app called ARitize. And ARitize Play is a mobile app that lets users experience immersive augmented reality technology. This app is used to scan QR codes that launch exciting augmented reality experiences for consumers and users of all ages. Users will be able to engage in these immersive experiences, which include 3D AR products, portals, AR labs, human holograms, and more. So basically, it's an interface where users will be able to interact with all of these kind of products. So overall, NexTech really does have a ton of products right now and a great deal to offer the world of e-commerce over the next decade as we see the world slowly shift to Web 3.0. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you made it this far, I thank you, and be sure to drop a like if you found this video helpful. Thanks as always, and I'll catch you next time.